Samsung on Monday announced the launch of its latest 3-stack ISOCELL Fast 2L3 CMOS image sensor in South Korea. Currently in mass production, the image sensor has size of 1.4 microns and a 12-megapixel resolution. It has integrated 2-gigabit LPDDR4 dynamic random access memory (DRAM) that claims to deliver fast data readout speeds, helping capture images in super slow motion as well as images with less noise and distortion. Talking about its super slow motion capabilities, the image sensor can record footage at up to 960 frames per second, FPS, apart from capturing a full frame shot within 1/120th of a second. Apart from super slow motion image capturing, the sensor claims to reduce image distortion, especially when capturing shots of fast-moving objects. It supports 3-dimensional noise reduction, 3D&R, for low-light and real-time HDR shots. The image sensor also comes with Samsung's dual-pixel autofocus technology, which is an enhanced version of phase detection autofocus, PDAF. An extra DRAM layer on the sensor allows the sensor to read information faster than before. Samsung's ISOCELL image sensors have made great leaps over the generations, with technologies such as ISOCELL for high color fidelity and dual pixel for ultra-fast autofocusing, bringing the smartphone camera ever closer to DSLR-grade photography. With an added DRAM layer, Samsung's new 3-stack ISOCELL Fast 2L3 will enable users to create more unique and mesmerizing content, said Ben K-Her, Vice President of System LSI Marketing at Samsung Electronics. Last month, Samsung had revealed plans of a new dual-camera technology that would enable the company to bring features like bokeh effect and low-light photography to budget smartphones. The South Korean giant is also looking to provide this solution to other OEMs in order for them to launch budget phones with these features.